Hey everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas. For the next 3 days, I'm going to be sharing 3 different recipes for drumsticks. There's going to be an Asian style, lemon, garlic, and herb, and also caldo de pollo. They each come with their own specific sides. These are great options for meal prep if you're tired of the same old, same old. Come along with me for the next 3 days to get these recipes. Let's start with the tomatillo salsa. This is about 15 large tomatillos. Add them in a large pot and cover them with water and bring it up to boil. I'm also going to be adding 4 serranos and a quarter of a white onion to boil. In the meantime, I'm going to toast up some chile de árbol in a tablespoon of avocado oil. Now that everything's boiled and ready to go, I'm going to add everything to a blender. 1 tablespoon of the Law de Pollo. Blend it all up. And then when I turn it off, I like to add a bunch of cilantro with the stems on it so that the cilantro is not too blended. I pulse it a little bit and keep the cilantro a little chunky. Now the salsa is ready, I'm just going to add it to a jar. Let's start working on the caldo de pollo. This is a large pot of water. I'm just going to add a whole white onion, 3 whole garlic cloves, and 1 bay leaf. Cover it and bring it up to boil before you add the chicken. Now I'm going to add the drumsticks and let it boil and remove any scum that gathers at the top. While that's cooking, I'm going to prep the veggies. I'm not using all the traditional veggies because we can't have it on keto, so I'm using chayote, zucchini, celery, and bok choy. The first thing I'm going to add to the chicken is the chayote because it takes the longest to cook. After about 5 minutes, I'm going to add the celery in. I've pretty much removed all the scum at this point, so the soup is very clear, and now I can season, because I don't like to season before I remove the scum, because then I'm wasting seasoning, you know? I'm using the caldo de pollo and vegeta. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the caldo de pollo. And 1 tablespoon of the vegeta. At this point, we've gotten the most we're gonna get out of this bay leaf, so I'm just gonna remove it now so I don't forget later. I checked on the chayote and it's pretty fork tender, so I'm going to add in my zucchini and bok choy because I don't want them to cook too much. I don't like to let my bok choy and zucchini cook too much, so after a couple minutes I turned it off and it's pretty much ready. To serve, I'm going to add it to a bowl and add some of the tomatillo salsa right on top. This is going to add a little bit of spice. And of course, some fresh lemon juice. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit the bell so you're notified of when the next 2 recipes are going up. Thank you so much for watching.